There's something incredibly soothing about the sound of a cat gently snoring in a sunbeam. It's like nature's lullaby, a reminder of the simple joys in life. Cats, with their soft purrs and rhythmic snores, create a calming atmosphere that can melt away stress. Did you know that the sound of a cat's snore can actually lower your heart rate? It's true. This gentle noise not only signifies contentment, but also brings a sense of peace to our surroundings. Watching a cat bask in the warmth of the sun, completely at ease, invites us to pause and appreciate the moment. It's a beautiful reminder to find our own sunbeams and take a break from the chaos of everyday life. So next time you hear that soft snore, let it wash over you and embrace the tranquility it brings.